Hi Shivendu, welcome to Topper Talks. So it's an initiative by Vedantu wherein we are exploring the personality of any and every achiever, right? So firstly, Shivendu, congratulations. I came to know that you have recently received one consolation prize for some event. So वहीं से शुरू करते हैं. Kindly let me know what was that event and what you have done because of which you have been awarded.
There was a competition held by IIT Roper along with RFR Foundation, that is Research for Researchers Foundation. So they were thinking that although we are using applications for video conferencing, which are like Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, Zoom, and others, but why
Right,
not have an app that is established in India, whose servers are
right,
in India, so
right,
that we own the data that we produce?
right,
Right now, we all know that if you are not paying for something, you are the product.
right.
So where is our data being sold to? So they had an initiative to kickstart the development of video conferencing applications in India.
Okay, great.
The competition was held for graduate students and others, but I also took part in it as a part of my startup. So I have my own startup, Binja Tech Private. Yeah.
How many people are working in this organization?
So basically, I'm the CTO of the organization and was not the director due to legal reasons. After
Okay,
that, there is a team of around 10 to 20 people working in Pune for our
okay,
product development.
okay,
Our main product is a service called Note My Mail, which is going to launch soon. So it's a revolutionary take on like mailing services and other services. So a
okay,
completely centralized take on the likes of Google. Sometimes like people ask me like, how do I know other languages as well? Like, how do I know a multitude of?
okay,
So I started like learning Python at around like in sixth standard, I think. After that, I gradually grew my interest in computer science, different languages and stuff, and I came to know that I love like discovering other applications, trying to find ways in. So I started playing like Google CTFs, bug bounties. I even am a bug hunter for Vedantu. So
okay,
I started working in private programs as well as public programs, and after that, I came to know about war games and CTFs. So
okay,
basically, these are online events that are held where you gain access to a system, submit the flag, and get points. And on the
okay,
basis of the point, you get reward. So
okay, fine. So tell me something about your parents also.
yeah, so my father is currently in like the like bulk computers well,
Okay,
and my mother was a lecturer at a college nearby. So
fine.
it's like ITI Polytechnic, government colleges and stuff. So uh, like when she was teaching this, she used to teach me the concepts of like programming, like what she used to teach the college students and stuff. So like my mother is really my
Great, great to know that. Okay, then tell me, Shivendu, why you are stuck up in plus one and plus two preparation, or means why you are preparing for physics, chemistry, mathematics when you are so good in computers? Why you are not pursuing your career and your life in computers only? Like we have got so many examples of Bill Gates dropping, and we have got an example of Steve Jobs dropping and leaving his college, right? So don't you think that even if you would be entering into some college, sooner or later you would be ultimately leaving that place? So then why you are focusing on physics, chemistry, mathematics?
yeah. Actually, regarding that question, I also got an offer. Like the offer, like there's a name to it. I forgot because I did not pursue it at all. The offer was simple: take like $100,000 as a funding for your next startup and drop out of college.
Okay,
But I was like, no, I want to complete my education first because there are some things that education gives you, higher education gives you. That is a group of people, a group of like-minded people that you meet along in the journey.
right.
I think is more important. And plus, like Steve Jobs dropped out from Reed University, not just any other
Yeah, I
university.
know that. I know that.
Yeah,
Yes.
so like getting to a good university is equally as important for me. So even right now, I'm trying to get other like a letter of recommendations and good scores in JE as well. So like I can target IITs as well as like abroad university.
How you came to know about Vedantu Olympiad School and how you got hooked up with Vedantu Olympiad School?
Okay, so I will go in a slight of a flashback. I will tell you about my whole journey with Vedantu. So
Okay,
it's
okay.
a
Yes,
small one.
yes,
I will tell it in short.
yes.
Actually, I was in like around like sixth or seventh. So at that time, like no one was in a online education as far as I know. That time. That was like in 2015 or 16 or so.
Right, right.
So like no one believed in such things. But what I did was, what I got to know was I have a subscription to a magazine called Digit. Coincidentally, Digit had an advertisement for Vedantu. Like not even an advertisement, they covered it for the next 10 upcoming and rising startups. So they covered
Okay.
Vedantu in that. I got to know about Vedantu. Then a friend of my father, then my father himself, he kept searching for different things. So he turned up with Vedantu, and like my first teacher was, I remember it was Survi Gupta ma'am. So
Okay.
I learned vectors and other things from her at like in like seventh. I was
Okay.
starting to prepare for 11th stuff. I asked my elder brother, like not my real elder brother, my cousin elder brother who lives in UK. So he was currently at that time he was in first year. So I asked him what should I do for physics because I had my mindset to physics. I still have it, still attached to physics. So I started preparing for it. And regarding Vedantu Olympiad School, it was uh, a chance actually. You see, I was like poking around in the Vedantu's website and I saw like this apply for hold thing. I, I clicked on it, I submitted my profile. My profile got whitelisted. I gave Volt. I even got rank 1 in Volt.
Okay, fine, fine. Good to know that. Okay, Shivendu, now, as we know that Shivendu is basically a tech guy, right, and is preparing for examination, particularly IIT, and it's really very good to know that you want to pursue IIT because it is obviously good to get into something professional and getting a tag of, you can say, or a branding, a backing of a branding, right? And then you you would be exploring lot many options over there, lot many opportunities would be coming to you via IIT also if you would be entering over there. No doubt about that. So that's a fantastic thing which you are planning, right? So tell me something. I came to know that some your organization is doing something with Reliance also. So what is that?
Yeah, so basically, like as I developed this video backbone, which was not existing at like an earlier stage. So basically, it's based around the concept of peer to peer. Right now, what you use in video conferencing is get your video to a server and the server relays it to everyone. But what my idea and my like application was based around was peer to peer. That means no servers at all. That means less costs for an organization. So actually, I had a meet with Mr. M. Sharma and Mr. J.D. Yadav. So he was the ex-vice chancellor of ICT, and along with that, M. Sharma is like the mentor of Mr. Dr. Raghunath Mashelkar, sir. So he is the current chairperson of Reliance Innovations. So I also met him last year. So he was very interested in my video tech. So that's why like we have ongoing talks with GeoMeet as well for integration into their platform.
So anything which you would like to share from your side, which
Uh,
listeners would be enjoying or it will be good for them to know.
well, I would like to say one thing. Like Physics Galaxy is awesome. Like that's a really awesome book that I really enjoyed.
Okay, okay. So,
And
yeah,
I'm like a huge Harry Potter fan.
okay, fine, great, great. Good to know that. One last question. What do you
Yes, sir.
think is yeah. What do you think is the USP? One USP of
Of Vedantu.
yeah.
I think the fact that we get to connect to all the teachers and like discover everyone without actually like going to some physical institution or whatever. Like where I live, it's difficult to get good coaching. Like, it's literally difficult. There's no island. There's no like ICAD is there, but I'm not going to give an opinion on that. Had bad experiences. After that, also like local coachings are not that good. But at Vedantu, I found teachers and even people like my batchmates and everyone. I'm like they are more of my friends than even people that I've met in real life. So I get that Vedantu is like an extension to me. So it's a part of me now. That's why I think the main USP is you get to discover the best of everything, no matter where it is.
Good to talk to you, Shivendu, and I hope someday we would be seeing your name in some newspaper also that Swiss kid from India did this particular thing, right? and that will be a wonderful day for us. Thanks for coming on this Topper Talks.